Hello and welcome to OpenSolar, the world's first free end-to-end solar management software. In this short video, I will be showing you how easy it is to create a PV design using our design and sales tools. OpenSolar is partnering up with Sigenergy to provide our common users with even more streamlined and efficient design experience. OpenSolar splits into 4 main zones. Home section, where you would normally start designing your projects. Project section, where you can review all of your ongoing projects and filter them as well. Control section, where we can get our account set up. And hardware section, where we can get our account connected with one of the local distributors to be able to see their stock level and pricing as well. In the home section, we can start designing our project by typing in our customer's address. We can then select the property we would like to design on and click on Create Project. We are now in the info section, which is our customer survey. This is where we can input our customers' details like customer contacts and site details as well. Below that, we'll be able to perform our MCS structure details. And on the right-hand side, we can access our document management tool that is called Project Files. From here, we can easily generate documents on a project basis. These documents will be automated, and OpenSolar is providing you with different templates that you are for sure familiar with, like G98, G99, and handover pack as well. On the right-hand side, we have our Files section where we can upload files to be able to find them whenever they are needed. In the energy section, this is where we can input our customers' electricity usage. We can do it on annual, monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly basis. We can even input our 50 minutes, half an hour, and 1 hour data as well. Based on this information, our electricity usage curve will get updated. And below that, we'll be able to input our customer's electricity tariff. You can click on Select Tariff to be able to browse through our existing database, or you can let us know so that we can get this tariff uploaded for you, or you can also create it yourself. Once uploaded, you can click on the tariff to be able to review its specification. After hitting on Save, we can move over to our design zone where we will design our system. OpenSolar is providing you with 3 different design modes: 3D mode, 2D mode, and manual mode. For this specific project, we'll be using 3D mode. 3D mode provides you with auto shade calculation, auto pitch detection, auto azimuth and scale determination, and there is no need of drawing the roof because we are using a satellite. There's going to be a very nice 360 degrees of view of our property, and as you can see, all the obstructions have been factored in as well, where we can calculate our shading. Before we start with our design, we can easily access heat map to see where the sun is hitting the property the most. On the left-hand side, we have our design menu. We have panels, mounting, inverters, batteries, and other components as well as our scaffolding integration. Heading over to panels, we can easily click on our drop-down menu to be able to browse through the extensive list of our modules. If you are connected with one of our distributors like Sigenergy Plumbing and HDM Solar, you'll be able to select from which distributor you'd like to see your components, and you'll be able to see live pricing and stock level of the designing as well. For this specific project, let's select our Jinko module. And if we click on plus panels, we'll be able to design on our roof by dragging and dropping across. As you can see, I've just placed my modules on the roof. On the left-hand side, my azimuth and slope got automatically updated since we're using the 3D mode, which is the satellite. Scrolling all the way down, we can access shading, and I can see what the shading would look like throughout the year, from January to December. If I rotate around, I can see where the sun is coming from, and if I zoom in, I can see to what extent my panels are affected by the shading in the neighborhood. For example, in January at 9 AM in the morning, I can see that this tree right here is causing an issue. The second section would be mounting system, where I can select my mounting system type and then select the mounting manufacturer I would like to work with. I can select Renusol, for example, and then click on auto racking for the system to create an entire list of components, mounting components needed to complete this project. If I am connected with one of our distributors, I can easily open up our BOM on the right-hand side to be able to see what my net price is so far. From here, I can also add to cart and transfer a quotation over to our distributor's website. Heading over to the inverter section, this is where our partnership with Sigenergy will come into play. I can easily click on inverter and then select whether I'd like the system to help me designing, or I can select manual inverter selection as well. I can click on continue, and now I can type in Sigenergy to get hold of Sigenergy products. As you can see, I have added Sigenergy to my favorite items in my account, meaning that it would always pop up first, and Sigenergy are also our showcase partner. I can now select my inverter. From here, I can access a very nice video where I can see how to work with this inverter. And below that, I can get my inverter, my system strung up. I can click on plus stringing, click on the array, and drag and drop across. If I actually hover over that small eye icon, I can get information about my inverter and MPPTs as well. Scrolling down, I can isolate my strings, whether I'd like to do it separately or in parallel, and some electrical components would be automatically added to my final bill of material. From here, I can also upload inverter accessories. Heading over to the battery section, this is where I can apply a Sigenergy battery, or I can easily duplicate the existing system to be able to show my customers two different system options, one without the battery and one with battery. Staying here, I would click on plus battery to be able to select Sigenergy battery as well. I would go for the very first one, and again I can select whether it's AC or DC connected. Below that, I can also apply my battery accessory if needed. The final section is other components, where I can select my DC optimizers, isolators, cabling, meters, EV charger, heat pumps, and other components like Wi-Fi dongles, for example. I can type in again Sigenergy to be able to get hold of Sigenergy additional components. I can select my wall mount kit from here. I can grab my power sensor as well. And just like that, I've completed my design. After hitting on save, I can easily move over to the payment section, where I can apply different payment options so that they are presented to my customers. Based on the design created in the design zone, on OpenSolar we create an online proposal ready to be presented to your customer. As we scroll down, we can see the proposal content. On the right hand side, we have all the system options we would like to present to our customer, and as you can see, this is fully interactive. If we scroll down, we can see information like system performance, how the system works with and without the battery, electricity bill savings with old bill versus new bill information, detailed saving table, information about our customer's tariff, the quotation with payment milestones, payback period, environmental benefits, the MCS table together with the sunpath diagram as well. This proposal is customizable. On the left-hand side, our users can create a list of all the proposal templates that they can then present to their customers, and from here they can also customize the template they're using for the specific customer. Heading all the way up, in the Your Solution section, since we are partnering up with Sigenergy, our users can take advantage of the amazing exhibiting content. For example, they can see what the component would look like. They would watch a nice video about a component that they will have installed. They can access details together with a specification, and they can access a spec list as well. Our users can easily share the proposal with the customer by clicking on Send Proposal to Customer. They can customize it and send proposal to their email address, or they can enable link sharing, grab that link and share it with the customer via WhatsApp or text message. Once the customer is happy with their proposal, they can click on Review Proposal to be able to review the final quotation. They can review the terms and conditions as well, accept them, type in their first name and last name, and then finally sign the proposal. From here, they'll be able to select the payment method as well. And once they've accepted the proposal, they would receive a copy of the PDF proposal, and they would receive a contract and additional documentation like spec sheets as well. If you have any questions, please head over to the question mark and don't hesitate to keep in touch with our support team. You can also reach out to Sigenergy to get some more information about the component you are looking to use. Thank you very much for watching and have a sunny day ahead.
OpenSolar.